Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Samsung Galaxy A05s. For that you will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool. And it's part of the box, so and here at the bottom of the box, so you just been the phone in previously, you will find here the SIM ejection tool. So just release it. Otherwise, by the way, you can use also of course the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And the part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. So just enter this hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. At this SIM tray, you're able to insert two SIM cards if you want, next to a micro SD card to extend the internal storage. Okay, let's start now with the first SIM card. You will place it here at the first position. And this is how it should look like here. So there's a missing corner on the SIM card that belongs to the missing corner of the SIM tray. And the contacts, they are below. If you want, you can add now also a second SIM card. Belongs here to the second position. Pretty tiny everything here. Okay, this is how it should look like then. The same thing, also missing corner here on missing corner. And the contacts, they are below as well. Okay, and as well you can also extend the internal storage with the micro SD card here. So the last position is here for the micro SD card. So this is how it should look like then if you have inserted the micro SD card. Of course you can have also the micro SD with just one SIM card or two, it doesn't matter, same thing. And the contacts, they are below as well. Now, if you're ready with it, you can put back your SIM tray into the SIM slot, anyhow with one or two SIM cards. Close it well. And yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support and yeah, maybe the next time. Ciao.